We have here the page of earth energy, an energy here of someone na doesn't have to be na younger sa inyo sa age, but more likely someone here who wants something to start solid. Okay? So definitely seryoso, no? Yung kanyang energy rito, no? So this could be someone here new. Let us see. Like bagong dating sa buhay ninyo or parating pa lang. Let's see. Wow. 10 of earth energy. So tell me, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, tell me more about that word serious. Now, this person here is more than that. It looks like this person here is seeing you beyond that or will see you beyond that. Now, let's see what's next. Yeah, look at that. Someone new with the full card energy. But it looks like this person right here, if he or she is already in your life, this person right here is pwedeng hindi pa sinisimulan ang bagay na to, no? Pero ready mag-risk, ready mag-take ng step anytime. Let us see. Oh, nice. Page of Fire. You've got two aces right here. Look at that. Ace of Earth to the World card energy. Okay, I love the consistency. Eight of Fire energy and oh, Two of Water or the Two of Cups right at the heart or center of this reading. Let me see more. Nine of Fire or the Nine of Wands. Okay, love it, no? So, mas nagugustuhan ko, no, yung nababasa ko dito for you guys. Two of Earth, bottom of the deck, Page of Earth, Page of Air, and the Nine of Earth. Beautiful, no? Beautiful energies. So, ayan, nilinawan ko yung screen. Medyo tawag nito, nagre-reflect, no? So, ilipat natin to dito sa kabila. Dito na lang to mga babes, okay? Para makita ninyo ng malinaw. Ayan. So, hi and hello there, collective. My name is Yan. Welcome here. No, at bago natin to pag-usapan pa more, sabihin ko lang na meron pa po tayong isa pang channel. Ang link niyan ay nandyan sa description box ng reading na to. So, if interested, i-click lamang yan at mapupunta na kayo dun sa ating other channel kung saan nag-upload din po tayo ng daily collective readings for all signs. And yes, mga babes, na wala po tayo ditong gender. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat po welcome. Pwede rin yung i-switch yung mga roles dahil possible talagang magka-switch-switch kasi general reading ito and at the end of the day, everybody meron kayong free will na free nyo pong gamitin anytime, anywhere. And yes, timeless din po ito sa pwedeng sa iba nangyari na to, sa iba naman ay nangyayari na ngayon at sa iba naman ay mangyayari pa lamang. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates with you guys. So, let's talk about this more. So, with the Ace of Water energy, very, very strong, no? This is someone here appearing as new love, a new potential love interests. Yan. Brand new person, like you haven't met this person yet. But to others, no, pwedeng you have already met this person here, pero, wala pang pag-amin ng emotions and feelings, no. But soon, this person here will reveal and confess to you, no? Pero yung iba, ha, marami-rami na it is a brand new energy that you haven't met pa, no? So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, there's consistency. I love the consistency. And also, this is an indication right here that this person right here is someone, no, na parang unbelievable. This is you. Okay? You were amazed by this person's actions. Eight of fire energy, these are actions right here, but more likely equals then, no? Sa communication. So what about this consistency? Meaning to say, this person right here, no, napapa-amaze ka niya. It is because you know that this person here is busy, no? At nakita ko rito na tinatry mo na mag-send sa kanya or nagsisend ka, doesn't have to be that you're trying, no? Or nagsisend ka ng message sa kanya pwedeng during working hours, no? Pero, this person here tends to reply sa inyo ng mabilis and it looks like you were amazed by this person right here na parang, oh, alam ko busy siya ngayon pero nagre-reply siya sa akin. Wow! So, I do pick up that this person right here is someone na talagang nag-give ng time sa inyo, no? This person right here is someone na doesn't have to be na palagi niyang hawak yung phone niya, but it looks like this person right here is someone na palaging near or close sa kanya yung kanyang phone, yung kanyang handphone. So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, this person right here could be, yung kanya rin kasi, no, na trabaho is like, palaging tumutunog yung kanyang phone, no? So, it looks like, this person right here, no, hindi pwedeng hindi niya hawak or hindi malapit sa kanya yung cellphone niya kasi gamit niya rin yan pagdating sa kanyang trabaho. Ano man ang kanya ritong occupation or profession. But this person right here, he even do working hours and you know that this person right here is nasa office or maybe this person right here is, busy sa kanya ritong pangkabuhayan or sa kanya rito, no, na way of earning a living. So this person right here, no, nagre-reply pa rin siya sa'yo like, wow, no? So, parang kayo to, no, that you were just sitting, no, pwedeng you are in your office, no, nakaupo ka sa yung chair, no, and then working hours, no, and you tried to message this person right here, no, kahit wala lang. And then this person right here, no, surprisingly, nag-reply din siya agad sa'yo. Agad-agad siya rito nagre-response, no, lalo na kapag ikaw yung nag-chat or ikaw yung nagte-text or ikaw yung tumatawag, yung nagre-reach out, yung nakikipag-communicate sa inyo, no? So, whether you are working, no, sa isang office or maybe you are an entrepreneur or may business ka, no, and you were just sitting, no, and then you try to message this person right here, nagre-reply siya sa inyo rito, no? And palagi siya rito nagre-reply kahit na hindi naman ninyo siya ka-work, kahit hindi naman ito about tungkol sa kanyang trabaho, this person here still reply sa inyo ng mabilis, no? At kung bakit, we have here this Ace of Earth, no? I love the Ace of Earth is right here, no? And then the World card energy. This person right here is someone, no, na kaya niya ritong mag-multitask, no? Kaya niya rito na parang gawin dito yung mga bagay na gusto niyang gawin, hindi yung maisisingit ka sa oras niya basta, no? Kundi this person right here is someone na wala ritong harang-harang. Kung gusto ko mag-reply kay collective, gagawin ko yan. Kasi we have here the 8 of fire energy and there's this 3 of fire. Meaning to say, this person right here is someone na ayaw niyang maputol ang inyo ritong connection, no? In short, ayaw niya rito mga babes, no, na isipin ninyo, no, with the page of fire energy right here, no, na siya ito na walang pakialam sa inyo or pinaka nakukuha natin is hindi interesado, like ayaw niya na maisip niyo yun, no? So this person right here, kahit busy siya rito, no, hindi naman kayo istorbo sa kanya, no? So this person right here is not neglecting or hindi niya naman napapabayaan yung trabaho niya rito. Ginagawa niya pa rin yun. It's just that this person right here is someone na can handle multiple things at the same time, no? So this person could be someone na kaya mag-multitasking. This person is someone right here na nakikita ko rito na importante rin kayo sa kanya, no? Kagaya ng kanyang trabaho, no? And this person here, I think with the pages present, no? Dito sa ating reading, this is an indication that definitely this is a new energy that might be a stranger to you ngayon. Pero when you meet this person right here, eventually everything will change, no? Slowly but steady. And this person right here is someone with a very strong tree of fire energy. Bakit nga ba ayaw niya maputol ang inyong connection? Bakit nga ba ayaw niya rito na maisip ninyo no, na hindi siya interesado rito? No? Bakit? Kasi with the tree of fire energy, this person right here is someone who wants you to be pa rin sa kanyang mundo in the future. Wow! So meaning to say, this person right here, gusto niya na magstay ka sa kanyang mundo in the future. Naalala ko tuloy yung kanta, no, na I want you to stay, never go away from me. Yan, no? Stay forever. Yan, diba? So, this person wants you to stay forever. Not just to stay ha, stay forever. So meaning to say, gusto niya, no, na makasigurado na nasa future ka pa rin niya. So parang kahit na, no, wala ritong kesyo busy ako sa work, yan, no, hindi mangyayari na manineglect ko rito si collective, like hindi. Re-replyan ko pa rin siya, no, and for some reason, hindi siya nawawala kapag may napag-uusapan kayo, may topic kayo, no, talagang nandoon siya, you are on the same page. This person right here, nakaka-follow siya sa pinag-uusapan ninyo. No, it looks like na parang, oh, hindi naman siya, parang akala mo hindi siya busy, pero busy siya sa work. No? So, kaliwat kanan yung inaasikaso niya rito, pero this person right here, nasusundan niya yung pinag-uusapan ninyo. No? So, this person right here is someone who really gives time to you, who really shows effort right here. So, nakita ko dito that this person right here with the Two of Cups energy, this person right here is someone who wants this. Okay? Yung synchronize ang inyong movement, ang inyong emotions, that you will be on the same page. Now, this person right here really wants to work things out sa inyong connection. That's why this person right here, hindi siya kumakawala. Hindi siya pumapatid sa inyo ritong connection. No? This person right here is someone na nagpupursige, no? Para magstay kayo sa kanyang life, no? With the Knight of Fire energy, beautiful and world card right here, this is the person right here, okay? This person is holding this, okay, stars. And ikaw ito, no? So, nakita ko dito that this person right here, no? Ito yung goal niya, ito yung pangarap niya, no? Na magstay ka sa kanyang life forever. Not just magstay, okay? Kundi mag-form kayo ng ganitong klase ng connection. Okay? So, I'm picking up that this person right here wants you really, no, na ma-include sa kanyang future. Okay? As his or her future spouse, future wife, future husband, LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo mga sweethearts, no? And what you will love more about this person right here is the Eight of Earth and the Three of Air energy, no? Makasisigurado mga babes, no, na itong tao na to ay, yan, no, ayaw niya, no, ng mga nagbabalik sa mga ex, lalo na kapag in-involve sa isang third party interference. Kaya naman kung sino man tong energy na to, no, you will love this person here because I do pick up that in the future, if someone from his or her past, no, is bumalik sa kanyang life, you can definitely assure, may assurance na kayo na hindi niyo yun babalikan ever. No? So may assurance na kayo rito, no, na itong tao na to, no, ay hindi na babalik sa kanyang ex, no, dahil hindi po siya ang klase ng energy na bumabalik sa isang ex, no? Tapos iiwanan kayo? Hindi, no? So, walang ganon. With the 12 Earth energy, this is the person right here full of balance. See? Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, this person right here could be handling multiple things at, okay, possible na kaya ka na-amaze, no? Kasi, kaya niya ritong masundan, nagre-reply siya rito and seeing yung mga parang mga messages na mahahaba, no? So, this person right here is someone really, no, na nakakasunod dito, interesado talagang kausap kayo rito, na parang, alam mo kasi tinuturing ka na rin kasi niyang importante rito, no? The moment this person here, no, pumasok ka sa buhay niya, tinuturing ka na rin niya na isa kang importante, no, na hindi lang basta bagay, isa kang importante, no, para sa kanya rito, no. So with this page of air energy, page of earth right here, nine of earth, no, and we have the eight of earth. This person right here, no, nung nakilala niya kayo, mga babes, no, nagpapasalamat siya. Okay? By the time na nakilala niya kayo, no, this person right here is nagpapasalamat na nakilala niya kayo, no? At patuloy pa rin siya rito with the page of your energy. Okay? Oobserbahan, no, yung mga signs and clues, no, na magtuturo na siya talaga yung person for you, no? So, this person right here is someone, no, na inoobserbahan rito ang kanyang surroundings. If okay, nagiging align yung mga signs and clues no, na nagtuturo na you might be the one for him. Why? Because he or she is already seeing the signs and clues, no? Kaya nga this person right here is thankful. This person right here is so grateful, no? Na nakilala niya kayo, no? Because you are someone reflecting like a mirror yung mga gusto niya sa isang kapareha. So, kung sino man tong energy na to, this person right here will keep on observing. Okay? Or this person right here will see continuously the signs that he or she no looks for in this type of connection. So nakikita ko dito ni itong tao na to no, with the page of fire energy, this person here is someone who will continue to express his or her adoration, admiration for you. So hindi lang through text messages, this person here I think will be true to his or her promises, no? Actions and words ay magmamatch rito sa kanyang mga galawan. And you are someone here na gusto niyang magstay sa kanyang life forever. See? And what I love about this person more is that we have here the Nine of Fire energy. It looks like whoever gets in the way, hindi siya magdadalawang isip na i-cut off yung mga energies na yon, because this person here will choose you and choose you and choose you each day. So yeah, wow, beautiful messages right here mga babes noon. Toro, edi kayo na. Ito yung mga messages na kuha natin here for you guys. Again, I'm Liriana on me. Sarang hiya, love and light. I'm